Hey guys, unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus this time around. It's Samsung's flagship mobile phone series. This is the 128 GB version coming in black color. This is back of the box as you can see. And some of the details and the size and the information of the phone given around the box. Let me just open it up now. That's the phone in itself. Pretty neat looking device this. And let me just get it out of the box. There we go. It's quite a sleek phone. Totally black except for the chrome on the sides. It's basically Samsung's most powerful phone so far. Every year they release a phone, so this is the latest for 2019. This is the Plus version, so it's the bigger version and the most powerful in the S series in itself. This is the notch, which is quite famous because in the top right corner of the phone, unlike most notches which are in the middle of the phone, it also has something called the always on display, which is there in some other brands also, wherein the phone just gives you all the information constantly. Doesn't drink up the battery either. This is the screen once it's totally switched on. You can see the notch there. There's a small thing there on the side. Some people don't like it. I'm okay with it on the side. Think it's just like, not disturbing the screen at all. But then that's pretty much it. Like, not much else. The camera is quite good, obviously. Then coming to the box, you get the fast charger from Samsung. This is the thing itself. Pretty standard fare here, nothing much to see. Then I do not know why they give this, but this seems to be something that happens with all the S series phones. It's like a Type-C extender of some sort. I do not know why it's there, but oh well. Then after that you have the USB cables. Let me just get it out of the pouch. A little tight. There we go. Come on, there we go. So this is a USB Type-C cable. So I do not know what that extending thing is for on the side. And then you also get a nice earphone along with this from AKG. I'm not removing it from the pouch because this belongs to a friend of mine, so I don't want him to feel bad. You also get 4 extra buds, as you can see in the back there. Well, that's pretty much it, I guess. There's no instruction booklet, surprisingly. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is what you get with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. If you do like the video, do hit like. Also share to your friends and subscribe for more.